Hey guys, what up? They call me El Patronn, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, fastest growing Mitsubishi dealership in the country right now. Um, Basically, look, I have the blueprint, right? And I have a team of staff members that actually can go to your store and take a look at the analytics, take a look at your website. We can tear apart your social media if you want. All right, we give you pretty much, we could give you an analyst of what it is that you need to do to take it to the next level. All right, so with the social media, marketing, consulting, we can do all that. You just got to call me and say, hey, I want a free consultation. We'll send you one of my team members, or I can even come out myself. It all depends where the location is. So click the link below, or call me, DM me, say, hey, I want a consultation on my social media, on whatever it is in marketing. You guys know I love marketing, guys. It's what I do. Okay, this is what I do. It's my passion. I'm in it every day. So click the link below. Hit me up. Let me know what you guys want to know. And let's take it from there. 2019, man, it's going to be rocking year. Let's do this.